Today we are going to know or learn different fundamental rules to determine whether a number is divisible by a certain number. So we are going to learn the divisibility rules. So first we will check whether a number is divisible by 2 or not. So for a particular number to be divisible, the last digit of a number should be divisible by 2. So if you check this number, in that particular number the last digit is 2 and it is divisible by 2, so the whole number is divisible by 2. Similarly here the last digit is 4 which is divisible by 2, so that is why the whole number is divisible by 2. Here the last number is not divisible by 2, so the whole number is not divisible by 2. Divisibility check by 4. Last two digit should be divisible by 4. So if the last two digit is 0, 4, 0, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, so on and 96 and so on, then the number will be divisible by 4. So if I illustrate that with an example, here 24 is divisible by 4, that is why the whole number is divisible by 4. Similarly, here the 28 is divisible by 4, that is why the whole number is divisible by 4. 37 is not divisible by 4, the whole number is not divisible by 4. Now checking the divisibility by 8. The last three digits should be divisible by 8. Here the numbers are 000, 008, 016, 024. So illustrating that with through by an example, here the last three digit is divisible by 8, so that is why the whole number is divisible by 8. Here also the last three digit is divisible by 8, whole number is divisible by 8. Last three digit is not divisible by 8, the whole number is not divisible by 8. Now by 16, here the last four digit of the number should be divisible by 16, so that the number is divisible by 16. So here the last four digit it is divisible by 16, so it is divisible by 16. Here it is not divisible by 16, so that's why the whole number is not divisible by 16. Now we will check the divisibility of some special numbers, that's the prime numbers: 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23 and so on. So for knowing that whether a number is divisible by 7 or 13 or 11, we need to know a technique which is called osculator technique. So for osculator technique, we need to know that what is the osculator of a particular number. That is, to check whether a number is divisible by 7 or not, we need to first know that what is the osculator of 7. So how to find out the osculator of 7? So for finding out the osculator of 7, we have to multiply the number with a certain number so that it comes near to any of these digit. So if I multiply 7 with 1, we get 7 which is not near to this digit. Then if we multiply with 7 with 2, we get 14 which is also near of this two digit. So if we multiply it with 3, we get 21 which is near to 20. So for finding out the osculator of 7, 21 is the important number. So how to achieve 20 from 21? That is 21 minus 1. So As we are achieving 20 by reducing 1 from 21, that is why it is negative oscillator. That is 7 has a negative oscillator and the oscillator is 2. Now using that particular oscillator technique, how to know that a number is divisible by 7 or not, let's show it through an example. So we have to find out whether 133 is divisible by 7 or not. So how to do that? We have to take all the data except the last digit and write it in this way. What is the form of writing this? 13, that is that number 13 minus 3 into 2. 3, where I am taking 3, you can understand. Okay, from here to here. Why it is minus? Because 7 has a negative oscillator. And why I am multiplying by 2? Because 7 has the oscillator of 2. So you are getting 13 minus 6, 7. 7 is divisible by 7. So that's why 133 will be divisible by 7. Similarly, the second example, if I find 1071, so first we will take this number out and remaining 1 will be there. So we'll write that in this way: 107 minus 1 into 10. Why it is negative? Because negative oscillator, 1 is coming here. And why it is 2? Because 7 has the oscillator number of 2. So we are getting 105. Then again we are just similar fashion, we are elaborate this in this manner. 10 minus 10 into 2, that is 0. 0 is divisible by 7, so this whole number is divisible by 7. Thanks for today's class. Please subscribe my channel. I will post this kind of lectures regularly on each week. Maybe I will be able to upload 2 to 3 such kind of topics in a week. So please subscribe my channel and please have fun. Thanks.